How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this Honda Civic. If you notice, this car has daytime running lights on the high beams. I want to try a new LEDs, and if you remember, few episodes ago I did a 2007 Honda CR-V that requires wire harness to use LEDs. On this one, the daytime running light is now on the low beam, it's on the high beam. I'm gonna put some LEDs and see if it works just with the LEDs. Really easy to change, so let's get to it. Starting here on the driver's side, bulb is right there, inside, twist it and pull it out. This is 9005. Just pull out the bulb. Make sure that you put positive with the red wire and negative with the black one. Put it all the way in. Now the LED is in place. You have to make sure that you straight the LED. I showed that in some other episodes. If you can tell right there, chips are facing to the left and to the right. And on the passenger side, if you can see the bulb right there, this type of LEDs, once you put it in, you can move it. If you see right there, hopefully you can catch that. I can move the bulb just to straighten it up. Once it's straight, it's gonna be facing with the cable up on this case. But you'll notice there's some LEDs, you can adjust it the way you want it. So now both LEDs are on. I'm gonna turn the car, put it on drive, and see if the daytime running light works with these LEDs. If it works, I'm gonna put the link on the description. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna put the stock bulbs back on it and get some resistors for it. Moment of truth, I'm gonna turn on the car and put it on drive to see if the daytime running lights work. In camera, the frame is not the same. It looks like it's going on and off, but they stay steady. So these ones works really good. It's not the same frame, but they work pretty good. So there you have it. Link is gonna be in the description for those LEDs. They look really good, and daytime running light is working fine. Now that's with the lights on. And that's the high beams. It works amazing. They look really good. So there you have it. This Honda Civic, it likes those LEDs. So good job on this. LEDs work fine. You're gonna see the first link in the description for those LEDs. Those are 9005, 6000K LEDs. Just for reference, guys, this is a 2012 Honda Civic. If you have a car like this and you wanna use LEDs on the low beam and high beam, I already did the low beams a long time ago. I didn't film it because it's just pretty much the same, but those LEDs are really good too. Super bright LEDs. Now high beams as well. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.